ubabcele nomkhotho banokudabula inyuke ebhaya.
Ubabcele.
Dabulile.
Yebo.
Mara babongile kule mali obapha zona. Babuyile babonga.
Ya bayabonga ya.
Umkhotho yena ubongile.
No.
I've noticed ukuthi umuntu olungile mfethu uyaphana ngemali nangosizo futhi. U-DA Mayor uTanya Campbell the time offere i-service ngecompany yakhe ye-security yena wabuya wazobonga.
No.
Zanga bonga.
Yebo.
Mara. Okay. I know. Mawuthi ubheke icela ubongele ngiyabonga mfethu.
Where Mr. Nkosinathi Baloyi, a brother to Mr. Matlala's wife, resides. Upon arrival at that room, at that cottage, there was no. And upon gaining access, I searched for Mr. Bushoka, and unfortunately, Mr. Bushoka was not in that room.
Boss man.
The video again. Jimsi wayaka.
Alumncane angaka Lalela Skebeng
19 million.
Survive.
Skebeng. Come on, call.
Raising your voice now. That's the money back.
Imali kuphela nje. Ngifuna imali.
Do you know any gun laws? Sharp ngama gun laws.
Yes.
Do you have your competence?
Yes, I do have.
Did you like go for training, yogo tobula and all that?
Yes, I do.
Is that the reason why umkhotsi akubiza ngo John Wick ngoba shy spam?
I don't know.
Maruzulu to Brown uthi John Wick.
I heard that, yes.
John Wick wena.
I'm Vusi Matlala.
Mara uyashaya vele fo.
Ngiyenzani?
Uyashaya. Like yanemba ke mawudubula yadubula.
No.
Awudubula. Okay. No, which I'm asking because amamelodi bayakusaba mfethu. Kuneruma lokuthi ayawinsizwa udlala. Why do you think bakusaba kangaka? Wenzani lengaka?
Mina ngazi ukuthi bangisaba ngizwa ngawe.
Angizwa ngabantu namfethu ngiyisithe ikhona ora yikho ngokwazi kwakho. Yaqala ukuyizwa. What would be a reason yokuthi uhambe ngesecurity engaka at some stages? Is it because unama enemies or khona abantu oxabene nabo or you were involved in some businesses that put you at risk?
First of all, is because of business to advertise your business. That they need to say to operate kanjani.
Okay.
That is the main, yeah.
Did you know that your friend was involved with narcotics and drugs?
Yes.
And you maintain that you don't have any contacts or relationship with narcotics, drugs or drug dealers?
Yes.
You don't?
Have what?
You don't have any relationship with narcotics or drugs or drug dealers or people who deal in narcotics, despite a very good friend of yours being, you say, involved?
Yes, he was involved in them, yes. I wouldn't say, when you say I have a relationship with them, are you meaning that I'm doing the same thing that they're doing?
I'm asking you.
No.
Because it is alleged that you are part of a drug cartel, isn't it?
Yes, they are, yes.
And being involved in a Medicare, healthcare business, it seems to me that it is an ideal smokescreen or cover to be involved in this kind of industry, drugs and narcotics.
I don't know that.
Okay. Now, just on General Sapir, have you, we now know that he has only mentioned,
Let's see. May we take Honorable James?
Thank you, AC. Mr. Matlala, are you saying that you are not part of a drug cartel?
Yes.
General Tele said you called him, you met him, told him Mukhodzi told you that Mkhunu wants to be a president and therefore they need you to finance the campaign of Mkhunu. And they told you not to work with Tele and make sure you close Tele out and Zuma out. Don't tell them these issues. And from there, you need to keep on giving him information, because when we asked him, why do you keep Matlala close to you? He said, no, I kept him close because he was bringing information from Mkhunu to my side. So I can't let him go because he's giving me information. He said that under oath. And now you are saying he's the one who came with the information, the opposite of what he told us. So effectively, I'm asking you, Mr. Matlala, did former Minister Tele lie under oath about those issues in relation to your name?
Yes, he lied under oath.
Thank you.
If he was asking, he was sucking information, why would he even ask me to ask my protectors to take him and his wife to a wedding somewhere in Lanseria? So that there was no way from me sending my protectors to drive him to a wedding. There was no way he will get information from those guys. He don't know them. If he wanted information, he was supposed to all the time make sure that I'm with him so that he can suck information from me. But it was for his own benefit. I even gave him even money. If you are here to suck information, that money, declare it somewhere that, okay, this guy gave me this money. And then, but since we know that for him, we want information, I had to ask money from him. I don't think he even declared that money. I gave him money twice.
Yeah.
How much did you give him, the first one and the second one?
I gave him 300,000, and then on the second occasion, I gave him 200,000.